How to save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Inside WhatsApp, go to the conversation or chat from where you want to save the voice chat to. So here, as you can see, this is my voice chat and I want to save it to my iPhone. Now all I have to do is long press on it, then tap on the forward option available there. Once you tap on the forward, tap on the share icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you tap on the share, a menu will appear on your screen. From here you can see save to files option available. Simply tap on it and tap on the save option available at the top right. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen, look for the files, tap on it, and you can see the audio available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.